What is going on, guys? I'm going to show you today how to use Clawdbot, a bot that has been taking the internet by storm. And for good reason, because this bot can do the same thing as a virtual assistant can do. It's amazing, and I'm going to show you today how to use it. So I'm going to be using Clawdbot on a VPS. And VPS stands for Virtual Private Server, and you can use it to basically run this bot on it. There are a lot of people buy MacBook Minis for it, so it can run on there, but it's quite expensive. It's not really needed, so you can just use a VPS. And it's also because there's a lot of private stuff on your personal computer, which you really want to use, only give it access for when it's needed, and not like all the time. That's not as nice. So I'm going to be using Hostinger today, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So once you have the VPS ready, you can go right here to Docker Manager and install it. It will give a big button with install. After that's done, you can finally go to the VPS. Now you can access it by going to the Windows button. You press RDP, which stands for Remote Desktop. You press Enter. Then you fill in here the IP address, which you can find right here. You fill it in, and then the username is root, the same as here. And then you can save it if you want, and you can connect. Press on connect. Then you need to press the password that you made while installing the VPS, and then you're in it. Okay, so what you need to do is go to Clawdbot on your new VPS. Afterwards, you will see here quick start, a one-liner, and we're using Linux on the new VPN or VPS. And then you can just here copy it and go to your terminal. Basically, you need to do right-click, paste, enter, and then it will start to download the Clawdbot. So great, we have Clawdbot running now. Once you have entered the one-liner, and afterwards you can do a Clawdbot onboard in a terminal. I misspelled it there a couple times. And it will ask you, I understand it's powerful and inherently risky. Will you continue? And you're going to say yes. We're going to do a quick start, open AI model or anything else. So it basically has a brain, so it can think what it will do. So for now, I'm using Anthropic API key. I'm going to paste my API key in there. So after that's done, we can select a channel, which I'm going to be using Telegram. And what you can do is basically go to here, the /newbot on Botfather and Telegram. I'm going to use it Clawdbot Chai Chi, and then it's going to ask for a bot, Clawdbot Chai Chi _bot. And now we have a new bot. Basically, you need to use this HTTP API code, and I'm going to paste it inside the here. Enter. I'm going to configure the skills. Yes, enter. And these are all the things you can do, the skills. But let's see. Yeah, it's nice to have some things, but for now we're just gonna skip it. Skip. No, and no. No. So right for now, skip for now. So you press spacebar and then you press enter. We don't want hooks. So now it's installing right now. So yeah, like I said, once you have the code, you can go back to this one, to the Clawdbot. I'm just gonna copy paste this, and you're gonna say Clawdbot pairing approved Telegram, and then you're gonna put the code afterwards. So the same code is gonna be different for you, obviously. So now it's approved, as you can see. I'm gonna say hello. Let's see if we get anything. Okay, and it's important, like as you can see here, to top up. So I'm just gonna do that for a second. So I just topped up. Now let's see what it says right now. I'm gonna say test. It's as you can see here in the top left, Clawdbot is typing. So here it's working right now. So it's pretty cool. You can give it a name. I'm gonna call you Lil Chai. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And yeah, keep in mind it does take some tokens. But yeah, you can basically have the whole system running. You can link your WhatsApp, you can link your email to it. And actually, I'm going to show you an example today. To give you an example, I'm also going to show you how to actually install Discord on it and talk with it. And I just went back actually, and I thought it was a bit easier to now show for the tutorial. I'm gonna show all channels, and then it's yeah, it's finished basically. So yeah, yeah, configure. I'm gonna do a pairing, update it, and continue. So now basically it's working. So I'm gonna go back to the local host. So what I just did, I wanted to enable Discord, so you can press here, you can do the Claude and then onboarding, CloudBot onboard. You can basically go through the whole thing and select Discord, and then it's gonna ask you for an API key. So you can all get all the information if you go to discord.com/developer, and make sure to enable these three things, or else you cannot connect with the Discord bot. And once you've done that, then basically asks you for a pair code. But what is really nice, if you have one channel that works, then you can ask that one channel to configure every other channel. So I just said like, oh, Discord wasn't configured, configure it, you know? So that's really powerful because it's like a whole ecosystem which you can now use to talk to everyone and anyone. And I can basically go here now and say, I just use my alt to talk to myself basically. So this is my thing, and then I'm gonna say here to CloudBot, send a message to Kai. This is his ID. Say hello from CloudBot, and let's see what it says. I tried it before, but you have to share a server. So I just invited myself, my alt account, to a server, so we can talk to each other. And I said, basically send a message, hello from CloudBot. And then if I go to my alt account, it said, hello from CloudBot. Kai asked me to say hi. And you can also say send a message every day or whatever. And this is the power of CloudBot. So you can automate your entire systems, and it's way more powerful than just sending one message for a test. Try it out, and again, I have a link in the description for a Hostinger for 20% off for VPN. And if you need any help, send me a message on LinkedIn. I will set it down below in the description as well. And I hope you have a great day.